When lawn care becomes a burden, back pain and noise become a daily struggle for countless people. This shouldn't be the norm. This Christmas, Raccoon 2 SE frees your parents from the hassle of lawn maintenance.
Just press play.
No doubt about it. Just press play, and the experience upgrades instantly. Zero setup, zero hassle. You can start mowing straight out of the box. For areas under 80 square meters, it mows in parallel instantly with zero setup. Tackle tough terrain and obstacles with ease, delivering reliable results every time. Your lawn, perfectly managed without lifting a finger. Leave the lawn work to Raccoon 2 SE, and your parents can enjoy their gardens in peace. Christmas special offer is here. This Christmas, your parents will no longer have to face those troubles alone. Head to Kickstarter and search for Raccoon 2 SE right away.